Hello guys, welcome back to this series of HTML language. In this video, we will learn about HTML comments. So, let's start. Comments are text notes added to the program to provide some explanation about the source code. They are used in programming language to document the program and remind programmer about something in the code. For example, in the class, let's take an example from life. When the teacher is explaining something, you are taking some notes to your notebook to remind you about that. It's the same thing. When we write a big code, sometimes we forget why did we, for example, choose this tag or why did we choose this code. We have to write some comment to remind us why we choose that. So now let's start with example to understand better what are comments in HTML. So here, this is our document that we will use for this video. So here, for example, we will add just a paragraph. We have here, this is my paragraph, for example. Let's execute here. We have, this is my paragraph. Now, I will add a comment here. Comment, there is a special syntax to add comment for sure. The first thing we have less than, simple. After we have the exclamation mark, we have dash dash. Now we can write the comment that we want. For example, p tag is used to write a paragraph in HTML. Now we have to close this comment, dash dash, and we have the greater than marks. As you can see here, the color of this comment is different from this code because this comment will not be shown on the browser, but this code will be available on the browser. So the comment, we cannot see those comments on the browser, it's just for the programmer. So here, as you can see here, we execute, there is nothing changed. We cannot see this comment on this page. Now, let's, for example, add another comment. We have here, let's add h1 title, for example. And now let's add a comment for this title. You can add it before or after, it's the same. For example, here h1 is used to write a title. Just to remember what we are doing with h1 or p. Also, we have here title, but the comment is not available here on the page. So to resume, we use comments to write something that we don't want to forget. It's just for the programmer. Now, we used also comment to hide some codes. For example, I want to hide this code. I don't want it to be executed by the browser. So what we have to do here, we will come here, we open a comment. Now, as you can see here, all the code are now comments. And after, we come here and we close our, let me delete this comment to be clearer. And here, I close my comment. Now, as you can see here, this sentences is hidden now on the browser. We just have this sentences on the browser. So we use comment to write some note on the program or to hide some code. This is why we use comment on HTML programming or in all other programming language. I hope you understand this lesson, and please, if you have any question, leave me a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and see you in next video.